Jai Jagannath, you're watching Deepak and Jam. Welcome to episode 4 of DSC Season 1. Topic is finding the sum of minimum and maximum in the array. Alright, so let's solve this question today. Find the sum of minimum and maximum of an array. So we need to find the minimum element, which is 1 year, and the maximum element, which is 10 year. And we need to sum it up. That gives us the result as 11, right? So that's the output you need to make. And let's first look into how brute force approach looks like. So how can you proceed with this problem in brute force approach? So obviously, right, you can take one element and you can search the remaining elements if it is greater than that single element or not. If it is, then you will store it in maximum element. If it is not, then you will store it in minimum element, right? So for this, how you do is, you will take I from 0 to n minus 1, if I'm not wrong, right? And you will take one more loop that will traverse from I to n minus 1, right? So here what's happening is, you're checking 1 is greater than 10 or not, 1 is greater than 5 or not, 1 is greater than 2 or not. You're taking each element and you're checking with other remaining elements. If it is greater, then you will check a condition. If my a of j is greater than a of I, if this is greater than, then you will store in one of the max element a of j, right? You will keep on doing this until you find your maximum element. The similar kind of loop you would execute for finding the minimum element also, right? So when you finally find your minimum and maximum, then you will sum it up and say sum is equals to minimum and maximum, correct? This is the brute force approach, but this is a red flag because we know that two loops running from 0 to n minus 1 would